Still using YouTube in light mode? You're missing out on one of the easiest ways to protect your eyes and improve your viewing experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch to dark mode in less than a minute. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and navigate to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Appearance with a small icon next to it. Click on this option. A small pop-up will appear showing 3 theme options: Device Theme, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. Simply click on Dark Theme to activate it. The change happens instantly. Your entire YouTube interface will now display with a dark background, which is easier on the eyes and looks particularly great in low-light environments. Want to switch back to light mode? Just repeat the same steps and select Light Theme instead. You can also choose Device Theme to automatically match your computer's system settings. Now you know how to customize YouTube's appearance to match your preference. Dark mode works across all your devices once you're signed in, so you only need to set it up once.